In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the main sending area and choose Start or Send an envelope. This is where you begin the process of preparing a document for electronic signature. Next, upload the document you want to send. You can select the file from your computer and wait a moment for it to finish loading. Make sure you've chosen the correct version of the document before moving on, since this is the file your recipient will be asked to sign. After that, enter the recipient's name and email address. This tells DocuSign who needs to receive the document and who the signature field should be assigned to. Be careful here, because the recipient information needs to be accurate for the signing request to go to the right person. Once that's done, select Next to open the document editor. This is the workspace where you'll place all the fields your recipient needs to complete. In the Fields panel, look for the Signature field. When you find it, select it so you can add it to the document. Now move your cursor to the exact location where the recipient needs to sign. Take a second to place it carefully, especially if the document has a designated signature line or a clearly marked signing area. Click once to place the signature field on the document. If the field doesn't look quite right, you can resize it or reposition it as needed. This is helpful if the signature box overlaps text or doesn't align neatly with the layout of the page. A clean placement makes the document easier for the recipient to review and sign. Next, make sure the signature field is assigned to the correct recipient. This is an important detail, especially if your envelope includes more than one signer. You want to confirm that the person receiving the document is the one who will be able to interact with that signature field. Then review the document carefully to verify that the signature field is correctly placed. Check the page, the position, and the assignment so everything looks right before you continue. When you're satisfied, select Next or Send to move forward. As a final check, verify that the signature field has been added successfully. This helps confirm that your document is ready to go and that your recipient will be able to sign without any confusion. Thanks for watching.